If your computer says that the Wi-Fi password is incorrect even though you have entered the correct password in Windows, here is how to fix the problem. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. You get this problem mostly when you change your password or use a new router with the same password. Now here are the methods to fix the issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Change the default Wi-Fi and router password. Every router comes with a default password, and some manufacturers want their users to change it immediately to be on the safe side. If you use such a router, changing the default Wi-Fi and router password is mandatory. Method 2. Run Network Troubleshooter. Next, you can follow this link to run the Network Troubleshooter to fix the issue. Open the Get Help application on your computer. Search for Check Your Network Connection Status. Click on the Launch the Network Troubleshooter button, if available. Go through the screen options to get the job done, or you can follow the previous link in case of any problem performing the steps. Method 3. Reset Network. There could be times when you might need to reset the network or the network adapter following this link to get this problem fixed. You can also follow as shown. Press Win+I to open Windows settings. Go to Network and Internet and then select Advanced Network Settings. Click on the Network Reset option. Click the Reset Now button. Click the Yes button on the confirmation window. Once done, it restarts your computer. Method 4. Remove MAC address filtering. MAC address filtering helps you to allow or prevent a computer from using your Wi-Fi router. If you have set the filtering incorrectly, you may not be able to use the Wi-Fi connection even after entering your correct password. So verify all the settings in the router admin panel related to MAC address filtering. Method 5. Restart WLAN AutoConfig service. Search for services in the taskbar search box. Click on the individual search result. Scroll down and double-click on the WLAN AutoConfig settings. Click the Stop button. Choose Automatic from the Startup Type menu. Click the Start button. Click on the Apply and OK buttons. Method 6. Disable MAC address changer. This problem might occur if you have enabled a MAC address changer application. You can temporarily turn off the application and check if this step fixes the issue. If yes, you should disable it when you connect to the router. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.